Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Got a quick stash update I want to share with you and an Ollie's mystery. Let's explore it. Stick around. First up, guys, I wanted to share with you this Airfix quick build. And usually when I'm at the hobby shop, I pay no attention to the snap togethers that much. I'll glimpse over them to see if there's something for Zoe, and I'm stockpiling a good bit for she and I to get busy on. And I just took a moment and looked at this, and I mean, check that out. Just a Volkswagen camper van, no glue, just no paint, just build. And something caught my eye, and I went, wait a minute, is that right? You notice that looks like Lego locks? So I turn it over, and sure enough, you know what? Let's take a look at it. This one intrigued me a bit. Hey, there we go. And I noticed she had another car. Oh, wow. Oh, I was thinking this thing was like 32nd scale or something like that. Okay, we've got stickers. Oh, look at the belt. That must be for the motor in the back. You gotta be kidding. Your clear parts, and you can see the little Lego looking lock things there. I had no idea these things were even, I guess I'm just paying attention to our usual plastic models, but check that out. But when it's to get, wow, look at the engraving, the VW engraving on the hubcaps. This is kind of cool. And if that's what it looks like when it's done, let's see, that's got to be 25th, 24th scale. Look at the width. Wait a minute, let me grab this calendar. Ruler. Let's see. That chassis pan is 7.5 inches, so we're looking probably, yeah, probably 24th, 25th scale. How about that? That small box fooled me. But hey, if you got any kids, grandkids, grab them up one of these things. This is kind of cool. I think I'm going to have fun with it. What is this? I'm thinking that's the instruction sheet, but there's more than that. Oh wow, quick build. Check out the airplanes. Lamborghini, a Beetle, McLaren, a Bugatti. Wow, collect them all. And then here's your Volkswagen. Pretty comprehensive and easy looking instructions. How about that? I was trying to see if maybe you could flip something around, like a transformer or something out of it. Well, how about that? That's cool. That'll be something else for Zoe that, I'll be honest with you, Papa is going to have a lot of fun with too, I guarantee you. Next up, the all-new tooling of the 1971 Boss 351 Mustang by Revell. I can see already just by the box art I'm going to have another one of these. I need it for the body for an upcoming project, probably into next year. You know how we have so many projects in our mind and in our heart to get going on. But is that not something? Check out that engine bay. And the suspension, the interior, everything about it. But I need it for the body. The first stock car team I worked for was Lonnie Perkle, and after I had moved up, Lonnie went to drive for one of the guys that we raced against, and the former driver of this car was Johnny Allen, and when he retired, Lonnie took over the reins of this beast, and it was just that. It was kind of like us. It was a top 5 car about anywhere it raced. Very competitive, beautiful to boot. Is this not just a cool looking race car? In 79, they were still running the 70 body style, and then they moved to the 71 later in the year body, and then these are pictures right here of it and after a restoration here just a few years ago. Is that not just a beautiful race car? I'll have the decals customed, but I've got to honor my buddy Lonnie and do this car. But is that not really a gorgeous hot rod. And maybe it's just me. But anyway. Okay, and finally, Amanda was at Ollie's yesterday, and she called and she said, hey, I found a Dodge Viper. You want it? And I said, absolutely. So she picks it up, she brings it home, and there were 2 price tags on it. And I took one, wherever it went. Yeah, right there. I took one off on the outside, and I usually just stick them up on the shelf like that. That way I don't have to worry about anybody looking at the price going, how much are those? Well, I went to take the one off the front, but check this out. I don't know if you can see that, but it is underneath. The Ollie's tag is underneath the shrink wrap. And if you remember, about 1 year ago, I went to the show, I think it was the, oh, wait a minute, let me look here. Down East Con in Havelock, North Carolina. And in the raffle, my brother Scott picked me up a NASCAR, Monte Carlo SS, the Folgers car. And it had on it a Toys R Us price tag underneath the shrink wrap, which I thought was kind of odd. And if you'll go back and look at that video, you'll see me talking about, we open it, and we found that the tires were missing. I think it was the tires, the decals, and there was something else that missing from the kit, but it was sealed, but underneath the shrink wrap was the Toys R Us sticker. Well, here we've got one that's at Ollie's, but it's not on the shrink wrap. So let's investigate this mystery, shall we? Let's see what is, if anything. Hopefully it's going to be fine. Yep. All right, there's our shrink wrap. And yep, it is on the box. So that's just kind of suspicious to me. So let's investigate here real quick. Pretty tight fit. So there's our tires, windows, the Viper body. Everything looks like it's sealed in the bags. Well, I was suspicious. The mystery is a mystery no more. But I just found that kind of odd. Decals. Well, I was going to falsely accuse Ollie's. My bad, guys. My bad. I just found that really odd that that was underneath. Well, good. Good. So we've got a Viper. I wanted this for the V10 more than anything else, but how do you go wrong with a Dodge Viper? And those tires. Check those things out. Cool kit. I'm sure most of you have seen these before, too. They've been around for quite a while. But, cool car, cool car. And guys, if you want to find one of these, go to your local Ollie's, and hopefully they'll have them. It's rare that ours does. That's why I told Amanda, that is odd. How did that get under? Well, the kit's complete. I don't care anymore. If you want one, check out your local Ollie's. To get your paints and your other supplies, check out HobbyNut Models. Mark's got a great supply of paint, and especially the MCW line. And y'all know I've said it many times. The model car world finishes, the MCW stuff is my favorites. If you're not a subscriber, head over, give us a sub, give us a like. We would greatly appreciate it. I'll be back probably in the next day or so with an update on the Challenger. Been doing a lot of stuff to that, and an announcement about that, and what I'm going to be doing over the next 2 or 3 months leading up to Atlanta. So, guys, God bless. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.